It's a record. So anyone brings the arc through, it's going to be 10 accidentals. Okay.
Yeah, go
That's
on.
the number to beat.
Yeah, well, that's just standard.
Okay.
I think when you bring it.
Perhaps it wasn't me. Perhaps it wasn't me, the arc thrower, then.
I kind of like it, terrified everyone every time I got it out. I was like, "Fucking hell, I'm gonna die!"
Yeah, oh, he's holding that gun. Die.
Bang! Thing is, when you charge it as well, you have to let go. You can't just hold your finger down forever. So you
just happen to be pointing it at the
I just happen to be pointing it your way.
Die, yeah.
Good bang!
That was good.
There was
Oh,
one
he's
point
much-
you literally completely dismembered me. There was just
Yeah,
my torso left.
I know. You had like black armor on, and there was like a black wall, and it's like I couldn't see you. I saw you when you were inside out.
You saw me when the inside bits were outside bits.
Yeah, so then it was easy to see you. I brought Laser instead of Starwalt because we don't need 2 Starwalts, do we? Let's see if it actually hurts charges like they say it does.
Calling down a support weapon.
It's like you have to try every gun again because you don't know if they're going to be good or not.
This is true.
Sample collected.
Nice, already got your sample.
Oh, this is raise the flag. Okay. Oh,
A raisin flag.
raising the flag. Raisins and flags and
Sounds good to
mine.
me. No, mine. Yeah, they make noise charges now. Sounds like an elephant. Oh, and we got those flipping acid ones.
Hello to democracy.
It's an acid level. There is shitloads over there. I'm gonna
Okay.
do the 120mm barrage. Let's see what it does.
Oh,
Sorry, Byron. Absolutely me, mate. Absolutely me.
Watch out for barrage.
Hey up. We've got a biggie.
50 meters.
Maybe I'll hit him with the
I think we
barrage.
fucking got it. How many spears do we fire at it?
Well, that'll do it then.
can never be too careful.
Oh,
Yeah, Byron,
Oh,
there's shit coming
what
over
about-
that hill, man.
Oh god, they're gonna explode.
back off.
Oh,
Yeah,
God,
back
the
off,
horror.
Colin.
Calling down a sentry. Found something.
Oh god, sorry. We're running
Oh,
from
there's samples galore here.
Well, careful, charger, charger.
Whoa, good call, man. Fucking
Oh.
good call. Good safety tip. Is it fucking dead?
I think it's dead.
Yeah.
We find 2 separate bases at the same time.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. That gun. I mean,
There's
it's
a
good.
sample under that fucker somewhere. That's
Yeah, I
it.
got it.
Man, that was fucking close. Nearly got
I'm with
fucking
you, I'm with you.
garroted by that thing. Well, the rocket does a good job. Look, there's quite a lot of there's quite a lot not on it anymore. If that makes sense.
Terminate outpost destroyed.
Fucking hell.
Dropping a pin.
I can't with you,
This one's
Colin.
down.
50 meters.
It's like big over there, Byron. Oh, it's right here. Look.
Heavy. On my position.
Come see heavy.
Sample collected.
Ugh.
Oh, it's dead. Oh, I was gonna fucking do it.
I got it with the spear. Careful to your right.
Are you right down
Oh
there,
yeah.
Colin?
I think so. I think we're done here.
Yeah.
Fuck. There's another one. Thanks, man.
There's that over there.
They're all having a go here.
Oh, that's one
Yeah,
where
praise.
the flags is. That's the objective.
Uh-huh.
Tagging back. North.
Oh, hang on.
I
Let me
love
stick
high
an, let me stick an
explosive
auto
rounds
cannon
and
down there,
grenades.
Colin.
Okay,
Oh, look, there's a fucker behind me, mate.
Cole,
That's
I'm
it.
sticking an auto cannon down there.
okay. Oh,
Where are these two? Oh, we're over here, mate.
we're kind of near the objective.
Yeah, just seeing where.
Yeah, doing the level. Gotcha. Hmm.
We're just thinning out their numbers.
Right, the auto cannon's down there, but it's not shot anything.
Oh yeah.
Careful, it's just ahead of you to the right now, Colin.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. It's found something. There you go.
That's mate.
Got him.
Calling down a support weapon.
You with me, mate?
No.
Emmy, I'm in the trees.
Tunnel breach.
Oh, Trev, I got you. Sorry, there was a bug right next to you.
In? Absolutely not. How did that happen?
Okie
I saw you just after I
Fuck,
fired.
there's some Cole.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know. Those explosive bullets.
Sorry, mate.
Fuck me, look out. Yeah. There's a few down there, isn't there?
Yep.
I do like to take freedom.
You're right there, Trev.
I was.
Fuck.
You
Never have
fuckers.
enough bullets in your guns. There's more, Keith.
Oh shit, it's on its head.
Oh,
There's millions
Fucking-
down there, Bar. Trev's having a laugh, though.
That's right.
He's still alive.
Bullets, anyone?
Yeah. Fucker.
Bullets,
That's a
anyone?
Yeah, I will in a minute, Keith.
Yeah, I
Just,
do actually need
Oh
some.
no, actually I don't now. I don't now. I'll pick up my spear in my backpack. Again, thank you.
oh,
There's some over there.
Thanks, man.
bloody laser.
Can you? Sorry.
Is that you again?
Yeah, it's my laser. It's the
Mate.
dog. It's the dog, or whatever you want to call it.
Got it in for me today.
I didn't even see
Infamy,
it. It's like,
infamy,
Byron's
they've all
been
got it
killed over
infamy.
there.
Lasered me right in the back of the fucking head.
No, I saw nothing. It just kills friendlies on its own. It doesn't need any input from me.
Indiscriminately killing your teammates.
Oh dear.
Right, I'm going to go to the orange marker and do the debris there because we're going to get pulled away from it otherwise.
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay, that sounds sensible.
Everything else is in a different direction.
You with us, Trev?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, here's a radar. Radar.
Oh, it's one of them bloody
With you, Keith.
waste of time things.
Oh. Oh, it's the evil transmission.
Anyone got an autocannon or a rocket to take it out with?
I
The
got spear.
I've got
I got spear.
Yeah, I got a
spear won't
rocket.
lock
Mark
on. I've
it.
got a spear. There, yeah,
Alright.
that's it. Done.
Was that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, right.
Is it dead?
I don't know, it didn't go.
Didn't make noises. So you hit the thing at the top?
Yeah,
Yeah. Oh, that did it.
there we go.
Needed a bigger gun.
Keep firing. There's a carcass that might be alive still.
Monkey here, isn't it? Hey, Zampa. Ah, I don't want to go up there.
Got a sample.
Love the rockets. Rocket.
And they're great. They are. Especially when you drop them all over the place. They're so handy. Like, you might just come across one when you need it.
Yeah.
It's like,
Go
there's
on your
one.
backtrack back to the wherever, and yeah, I know. It's like, oh my god, this is exactly what I need to stick
Yeah.
up that thing's arse.
Yeah.
Dropping a pin.
No,
Go
no.
that way.
200
I don't know.
meters.
Because you normally drop them at, well,
Yeah, that looks good. That
Yeah.
looks like the right way.
oh, there's
It's like
shit,
something go
shit
through it
following
as well,
us, man. Like, a lot
That
of
is
shit.
a radar.
Yeah, that looks like radar.
Yes.
Funny. Oh my god.
Watch out, Colt. Everything's following me.
Okay. Oh yeah, you're right. Oh
Well, shit.
Oh fuck! Oh, it killed me. One hit. This
Well,
is
there's another one.
Stalkers. Yeah, Stalker's here.
There's a stalker's nest around here somewhere.
I need a reinforcement.
That must be it.
Reinforcing.
Fucking bastards. Well, they're still bastards. Nothing's changed on that front.
Requesting sentry.
Democracy has landed.
Something big's coming. Sounds like a
I
charger.
just killed it.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
Yeah,
there's another
here
one.
comes something.
Heavy. North. Close.
The tentacly one. Oh, that was great. Did you
Fuck
kill
that
it?
guy.
Oh man, that was great.
2
One
spears
shot.
down. Bug's behind us.
Another tentacly one.
Oh mate. Hey,
I did this base, lads.
Where's
Nice.
the other technically one?
you there?
That way, the airstrike's coming in.
Holy shit,
Okay.
Oh, there's fucking bastards here.
he's still alive.
You know
Might
the
him.
bastards, the
Might
invisible
die.
Yeah.
bastards.
Yeah, you got their lair.
I don't know, but they ain't happy with me, and they're right here.
I died.
I think I got it.
I think I
Oh,
got
no, I
it as
think it
well.
was Trevor. Yeah. I got it with a grenade
got
launcher. You got it
Trevor.
with a spear.
Got Trevor, got my
No, but-
fucking lair.
Thanks,
What
man.
a tentacly thing.
Nice, they're coming up to get you, Trev.
Oh, I
upstairs.
see.
Trev, they're right behind you. Trev, they're getting
Okay.
you in the back.
Yeah, so I
Is
was
the-
on the.
Does the bastard lair
know, I
turn
can
up
see
on the
it.
map or not?
What's that?
Yeah, it shows up as like a blue spidery type thing. If that makes any sense at all.
Yeah, yeah.
That's right, it's just this way. There's a higher concentration of the bastards.
On my position.
Yeah, whatever direction they come from is generally the direction their nest is in.
But it's not on the map.
Do you want to do that, Colin?
We'll do the radar in a minute.
Let's do the.
It's
I'm on it.
it's 2 o'clock, Byron.
2 o'clock. Yeah, it's 2 o'clock.
Nearly there. That'll do.
Mission map updated.
Now you can
Thank
see,
you.
Keith. We've got radar now.
Right.
Objective complete.
Let's go to that thing.
200 meters.
Bugs coming in.
Can't find it.
After a strike. Look out. Whoa, got 15.
Nice.
Okay.
Advanced weaponry.
Think you're close, Keith.
Watch out, Colt.
Watch out.
Tagging map.
Look, that tree's about to explode. There we go. I just did
Alright.
I did a throw. I threw a fucking stratagem like over the hill and far away, and it landed right next to you.
Oh, all right. I didn't see it.
Tagging map.
There's loads of goodies on the map. God bless the radar.
Yeah.
All
bless.
bless him.
God bless his cotton socks. What the hell is this big hole in the floor?
Hang on the left.
Ah, yes, right. The hole on the floor. You throw a grenade in it,
You do?
and it does that.
Oh, we can blow it up. Oh, nice.
Blows up loads of things, yeah.
Nice.
Blows up shitloads of things.
Fucking shitloads, mate.
Shitloads.
Oh, I died,
I
lads.
saw.
I threw a grenade in to kill him,
Yeah. It must have
and
bounced
then I
off.
couldn't get out, and then I got acided when I was on the fence anyway. So.
Oh,
dropped it,
no.
I've dropped right on your stuff.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Oh.
I knew there were fuckers there. I think there's a door there.
Holy God!
If you come to me, Keith, I am right beside all your stuff.
Oh, fuck, there's another one!
Somebody else got in. Somebody else got you in first.
Oh, you're over there. Got you.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
yeah,
think there's a
come to me.
door here. Look, there's a door.
Yeah, well, I'll come and get it in a second. Just come get your stuff first, and then
Fucking shit's all over the place.
here's all your.
Trev, something's
sorry.
behind us, mate. Thanks, mate.
All laser power.
Can you hear it?
Yeah, I
Something's
can
in the
hear.
woods.
Yeah, I can hear. I can't see anything now.
I'll come do
No,
this
it's a
door
door.
with me, Trev.
Oh,
I'm
nice.
coming.
That was
coming.
lucky.
I'm coming.
Insert
Another door.
hand. Apparently something behind us.
Okie dokie. There we go.
Fucking laser.
Sorry. What did we get? Samples.
Bullets. Super credits.
Yeah.
Medals. Something on the
Dim.
floor that I can't pick up.
Dims. I got it. Lovely.
Going well. Any more?
Yeah, lads are having a way bigger fight than I am on this one. All I can hear is like wailing over the back.
It's like aliens. We're like stuck in this room. Can't go forwards or backwards.
I think we're alright.
Oh my god.
Ran out of ammunition, which didn't help as well.
I got some ammo. I'm right here.
Where are you?
With us there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you are with
Please. Thank you.
Oh, ammo.
Yeah, that would be handy.
We got pushed back into the little room. That we
Yeah,
were
we're
like,
just in that cupboard.
nowhere to go now.
Only could,
Got the CF artillery there.
oh yeah, we
I've
should
just
get that.
tagged.
Yeah, we should get that one.
We should get that on the way because it's sort of on the way to the
Oh
targets.
yeah, man. We get them all.
The objectives.
Like Pokemon. We'll catch them all.
Yeah.
Artillery, I choose you.
You do throw little Pokeballs in this, don't you?
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
It's very similar to Pokemon, this game. I see the console.
Hello, there's a gun here. Who would have thunked it?
Oh, hang on. There's some bad guys over there. Gonna throw some napalm on it.
I already done it, Trove. Look out.
Somebody already has.
Hey, come out. Look out. And there you can do it. There's still support. That's good, look at that. It's good.
There's a hell bomb over there.
You can defuse it if you want.
Diffuse.
Yeah.
You shoot it and it diffuses it.
Oh, that. Oh yeah,
long as it
there you
won't
go.
kill
It's
us
gonna
all.
explode. That will explode.
You know, that was
There you
close.
go. Perfectly
Yeah.
diffused.
Diffuse the hell bomb, guys.
Perfect.
I diffused the hell bomb.
Any more bullets? I can't find any more bullets. Well,
I'm
Oh,
looking.
they'll be around. Gotta keep hunting. There you go.
There you go.
Nice. Jab, jab, jab the computer.
Oh, do you know about the drop your bullet and pick it up? Job eater.
Yeah, drop and walk.
Move it.
Drop and walk.
Yep.
Engaging terminal.
That's it. She's full.
Incoming.
I'm trying to do the signal strength here.
I'll protect you.
Oh no. I mean, oh good. Come on, 99%. What are you talking about? There we go, got it. Ta-da! It's aligned. We got it.
You have
There we go.
alignment.
Yeah, perfect.
Completed.
Tagging map.
Everybody tag that place and we'll go there.
Requesting air support.
That sounded big.
Dropping a pin. West.
There you go.
100 meters.
We've all tagged it.
Nice, perfect. Keith, oh Keith, no! It was my drone, I saw it.
Reinforcing.
Okay,
but your fucking flying thing.
Yeah, it was.
What a cunt, honestly. Like, I was perfectly fine.
I know you were. I saw the whole thing. It's like, no, stop shooting, keep in the back. It wouldn't stop.
It appears that your laser drone thing kills more people than my laser drone thing, and I thought I killed a lot of people with it.
Maybe I did kill 10 last time. Most of it's my drone.
Yeah. I tell you what it is, Colin. It's because people
Yeah.
feel safer around you, so they generally tend to get closer.
Ah, that's the first mistake.
But, yeah, they don't feel safe around me, so.
Through
I got your
that.
stuff here, Keith.
Buzzhole.
Coming to it, mate.
50 meters.
Oh god, that's thermite. Nearly blew myself up.
Fucking hell, how many times do we have to shoot that thing, Byron?
I know, right? Old iron arse.
Oh, fucking iron arse. Took a lot of killing.
I can hear.
Oh no, it's
Uh-huh.
gonna
Call
kill
that
me,
one
the laser.
Maggie Thatcher.
Sample acquired.
I nearly got it. Go on, keep chuck a grenade. That's the last one. Da 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 da.
That's
Nice.
an interesting.
Textbook. Ah.
Right. Oh, yeah, what's the raid?
Unhappy thoughts.
Are we going to?
Mm.
Oh, fucking hell, that's a long way.
There's a thing
2 lots
here.
of super credits. Lovely.
Mission at 20
No way. That's what we need, man.
Okay.
It will be when the thingy comes out tomorrow.
Exactly. Need that super cash.
Oh, I just got 20, so
Nice. Every little helps.
yeah. A drop in the ocean, but it'll get there.
No, it's good.
Fucking thing again, Cole.
I don't even know where it's shooting. I think I hit it with thermite, I'm not sure. Yeah, I did. It'll explode in a minute. It's dead. It does work.
I hit him. I did manage to hit him with a spear.
Nice. Oh, nice.
Oh,
They're behind us.
New bag.
oh
Ouch.
trapped.
Somebody set me on fire.
Got one, mate.
Where the fuck are we going?
Oh,
Yeah.
up there. Fucking bugs up there.
New mag.
They are everywhere. Here comes
They
the Bile
fucking are,
Titan.
aren't they?
Mr. Bile Titan's up and about.
Do you want me to get him or someone else getting him?
I'll have
I
a
don't
go.
mind.
I've got him. I've got him. I've already done it.
He's dead.
Nicely done, okay.
Yeah, I just saved that for that, really.
Yeah.
Because there's such a fucking nightmare when they get going.
They are. Should we go where we're supposed to
You
go?
right over there, Byron?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Oh, I nearly got it.
I was about to do that.
You do it with a spear. That's pretty funny.
I
Yeah.
marked it. I was about to hit it with a fucking.
On my position.
Oh.
Oh, good rocket. Whoever did that.
It dead?
I don't know. It'll blow up in a minute if it's not.
God, fuck. There's bits going everywhere.
New mag.
Shit.
Will you? Fuck off. I hate
I think
those
they-
defense ones. They're just the bane of my life, man.
What's that?
The ones with all the armor on the front, where they put their arms together and they
Let's all
defend.
do it.
Run away, run. Oh, that's it. There you go.
You did it, Byron. You ran away far enough.
Yeah.
There's bugs. Where do you want to go next? Yeah, should we go that other one?
Probably down here.
Yeah, that's sensible. So everyone tag that and go there.
Okay.
Oh,
Bullets,
more
anyone?
buggers.
Okie doke.
Bullets, yes.
Yeah, I could do with bullets actually.
Yeah.
Oh, grenades, mate. That's what you need to do.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
You stay there and I'll. Yeah,
Thank you.
Trev, bullets.
Hold still, gonna.
I'm very
Gonna-
still.
Bump tunnel breach.
Back off a
This
bit.
should be good.
Woo! It's like
Fuck
Vietnam.
me.
Yep,
They're all burning, aren't they, Trev?
they are.
That one's still up, though. That's
more?
the spirit.
Bullet escape.
Still burning as they come out.
It's like a firing squad.
Come on, the fuckers. Take him out of the knees.
First rank, fire!
Fucking cocksuckers.
Oh my god, the horror. Can you get some bullets? I need bullets.
Oh yeah, man. I already gave you some, didn't I?
I don't know, did you?
There's some more.
Oh, there you go. Great, thanks. I don't know.
I seem to have shot them all.
Yeah, fuck it.
Maybe you did. Oh man, I saved some time there.
Yeah, I won't go near that, Carl.
That's cool. Oh, that wasn't the
There you
door.
go, Byron.
There goes the fence.
Nice.
And where's the fucking backpack? Oh, it's on the floor here. Smashed it to pieces with the second one.
No, you got.
Da 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 da.
Kapla!
Kapla this way. Gun there.
Watch out, Carl. We're gonna get fucking gunned down by that fucking thing. If we go up the hill too high, it'll just like cut us down in our prime.
A lot of arrows here, isn't there?
Right, napalm.
throw,
Don't go
Byron.
in. Don't go in the hole.
Go down! Get down! Fuck, it's still coming!
Oh, sample. Oh! You were right, Keith. I nearly died from turret. Oh!
Oh no, not the fucking turret!
Oh, it was really close. Oh god, it's trying to kill me still.
It's not even my turret.
Kill these things
No,
that are
no.
behind me.
I know.
Thanks,
It's just
Byron.
turret.
Fucking rat bastards, man.
Get it all. Yeah, we got it, do it. It's done, it's done. Something over there.
There's a lot of shit over here.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Oh, fuck me.
Oh fuck, ow. Ah. We're nearly there in that mysterious base, whatever it is.
Hey up, bug breach.
Heavy. West, 50 meters.
That's the charger.
Shit, that thing's walking towards me.
Fuck, what was that?
Yes,
Oh,
thank you.
What was that?
That one might be me. That one was me, that one.
That's
Yes.
alright, I think that was a hell bomb.
You threw something on it and
No,
it fucking
no,
went
that's not
towards
what
us.
happened. It wasn't quite as fair as it wasn't so fair as it could have been.
Oh yeah.
Right, so basically, I threw a thing and it
Yeah.
landed on the top of one of those jumpers.
Yes.
Oh man.
And then the jumper came towards me. Couldn't kill it in time, and it landed like way closer to me than it should have done.
Hello, I'm bringing some more for you.
Whoa, fuck! Someone killed it before me, and I fired a rocket through its empty carcass. Or you lot, basically.
Break action shotgun. If anyone likes
Fucking
those.
Nope.
Apparently they got an upgrade too. Maybe they're useful now.
Right.
As that charger I was going to murder before I turned inside out.
Yeah, sorry about that.
That's
oh,
alright. He's
fuck
never on.
me. He's not. Is he dead?
He don't look happy. I think
He
he's
ain't.
dead.
Yeah, he's dead. All right, that one.
He ain't pretty no more. What am I thinking? I should be using my orbital strike.
Yeah, do it, man. Fucking do it, and I'll run away. Whoa, fuck
It's 180
this.
millimeter, so, and 120 millimeter, so it might have a big range.
Oh, fucking reaction shot. Fuck you, you cocksucker.
Outpost destroyed.
Shit.
Oh my god.
it's gone now.
It's awful.
It's
oh,
still
look,
firing,
it's
don't
still
go in
going.
there.
It's still happening,
The
man.
red line's still on, so don't go
Okay,
in
I'm gonna try and get some samples out of this.
Okay.
It's
Oh,
brave.
brave.
Give us a minute.
Really?
Give us a minute.
It's on
Okay,
fire
now.
and being
Oh.
barraged.
Oh, I didn't get caught on fire for some reason.
Oh, that's
There's
nice.
one.
Hey, you did get a sample too, so mission
Yeah.
was successful.
Look at this corpse here, just sitting up on his own.
Yep.
Yeah, it's pretty funny. They got like arrows in their faces, and oh my god, there's a million coming.
Don't put a minigun down, whatever you do.
Oh, too
Oh,
late.
it's a fucking minigun! Oh, it's gonna kill us all!
I'll put it in the hole, so, you know,
That's a good place.
it's a different height than us.
We've only got 10 minutes. I've got 2 more flags to do.
Yeah, should we go do some flags?
Do this. Let's go flag this shit.
Na 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 na.
We can pass through the extraction and drop off our samples.
Oh, that's smart though.
Mission at 10 minutes remaining.
Should we do, how about two of us go one flag, two of us go the other flag? We can.
We could.
Yeah, but... Oh, sorry, man!
Oh, what? There's no enemies.
I was trying to drop the shit, and I pressed the button, and I thought you had to press the button to initiate the drop,
That's alright.
but it didn't, and I set you on fire.
I didn't die, so it's alright.
50 meters.
So why is my flesh coming off? Oh, that was a great shot.
Yeah, you got no right to complain after the last game.
You know, like some games where you get like a betrayer or a traitor, you know, like board games.
Oh yeah.
So that was my
Betrayer.
secret objective.
Objective critical stratagem available.
Right, who's going where?
I didn't even use me flip. Oh, we're here, Keith.
Yeah, we are. Where's the goddamn flag?
It don't matter, just do
Ah.
it. It'll come. There it is, there, that blue light is.
Critical stratagem no longer available.
We're in trouble. There's a lot coming.
Bet you
Should've
wish you
brought
had a
laser from
sentry
space.
now.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Oh, there's an eagle strike coming in, look out.
Fucking hell.
Sorry, I remember
Why
just
would you
now.
throw an eagle strike right on the flag?
I got like 13, and you.
Oh, that's
So
right.
one of
Yeah,
them was
13
me, yeah.
and Byron.
So it's like 14. Sorry, they were already on the hill, so I thought, let's clean them out.
Oh, shit. How do we raise the flag?
It
Coming
does it
up.
on its own.
Stand near it.
Oh,
Yeah.
fucking.
Who's getting napalmed?
No, not napalm. Your fucking laser.
Oh, that. Yeah, it's
I'm
got.
in my gun as well. I think I set you on fire, Trev. You're standing right
rid
in
of
the
that.
way, man.
Trying to
fucking
get out of the way. I can't get out the fucking way.
Yeah, you're standing right in the way, Trev.
I'm not standing in the way. I couldn't
Oh,
get out.
Christ alive.
Sorry.
Whoa.
Whoa, fuck, there's a big one. He's on the flag. A couple of big ones. Look out, Charger on the flag.
Oh, fuck's sake.
I get
Can
him
you
with
mark
thermite.
him?
Yeah, he's here. No, he's dead. Jeez Louise, it's kicking off, isn't it? Oh fuck, I got done in the back. Oh, it was a big one.
Got it.
Oh, nice. Was it a Charger?
Yeah.
Bullets, anyone?
Oh, he's in alive. Yeah, maybe in just a second. We nearly won. Whee! How about? Yeah, now if you've got it.
Secured.
How many you got?
Yeah, I'll have a supply, Keith. 'Cause I'll have
Just out, Trev. I got 50 minutes.
Okay. I can put call a resupply in, can't I?
Yeah, you can bring that. Well, let's go to the next spot and then do
Well,
it
no,
there.
yeah, Keith, and then you can resupply for that, and then
Yeah, we can
Yeah,
do
it's
it at the
true.
next spot. Because we've got time.
It's already done it, so just get moving.
Oh, I see.
You guys
Okay.
get moving and I'll stand
Yeah.
here and do this.
Okay.
I'll resupply you, Trev.
yeah, because I've got no stims. That's what I need. Thank you very much. That will do nicely.
Go, Trev. Fuck this.
Right, go, follow them. You saw it. You saw it, same as me.
What Dad has had to charge it. Oh, it's a hell bomb. Oh, fun.
Oh yes.
Come on, legs.
Don't try and pick up the hell bomb.
No, no.
How you doing, Keith?
I'm good, man. It's just stragglers trying to kill me. My leg's dead.
Okay.
Keep running. I'm fine, I'm good. I've got the perfect gun for running away.
Okay. Someone's legs are bad, apparently.
Oh no, Byron!
Oh,
I was going to save you, but then I thought, I'll kill you now. Oh god! So I'll kill myself. I'll kill myself instead. Oh, yeah, someone did it already.
Ah! Fuck you.
No, I didn't even have time to kill you, Byron. I would have, if I could have.
thanks. Appreciate that.
I mean, save you, not kill you.
Yes, of course that's what you mean.
Of course.
Wild Titan.
Oh, yeah.
Got it. Fuck.
Stabby thingy.
Oh, there's where is it? Oh yeah, I see it.
Can you mark it for me? I'll let it.
Sorry,
Oh,
Keith.
Christ.
That was
Alright,
me
man.
saving you.
Where's the big thing?
Killed it.
Oh, there it
Oh
is.
no, I haven't.
Oh, yeah, there it is, yeah. Oh, that was
Charger
great.
around there somewhere.
He's here.
I seem to have.
He's coming. He's grumpy. Oh,
I
he's
seem
dead.
to have stopped.
I fucking winged it a bit, but I think
Nice.
it's dead.
I hit him with thermite
Where
anyway.
the fuck did my spear go?
Oh,
Oh, God! You're right, Byron.
fucking hell.
Oh, dude. That's Mr. Thermite.
Where did I drop my spear?
That was good, Keith.
By hitting that thing with a fucking rocket.
Yeah, it was good.
All the way over there. Fucking hell.
Oh,
There you go.
fuck
Just
me.
a 1 inch.
Who's trying to kill
Thank
me
you.
with stuff?
It's hard to say, really.
Rockets, man. Gotta love the
backpack. I
rockets.
just seem to have swapped my spear for some
Does
reason.
anyone need any bullets?
I'll have some if they're going.
Sending in an eagle.
Let's
Hang
get
on.
out of here, man.
Oh, something coming that way.
There's loads
Yeah,
of
we
shit
said
coming.
to
I think we
the
run.
Yeah, we got a bit of a yomp ahead of us to get to the extraction.
Then I've got a minigun.
Oh, now you want the minigun?
I'm fucking with it. Did you just put one down?
Yeah,
Oh,
I
I
put one
can hear
down
an
while we were
autocannon.
fighting.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Da 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 da
Goddamn
da
rocks.
da.
Requesting air support.
Oh, samples.
Oh, nice.
Two minutes, Turkish.
Mm. Of that aliens music.
There is a Bile Titan chasing me.
Okay.
Is it the happy kind?
Oh yeah, he's a very
Right.
happy Bile Titan.
I was lucky.
Did you? Yeah, it is lucky. Did you bring a laser from space?
I think I killed it.
Okay,
Laser from space.
Laser from
no longer a Bug Titan. Bug
Ah.
Titan, even whatever the fuck
Yeah,
that means.
Bile Titan.
Yeah,
Whatever it's called, it's dead.
yeah,
Yay!
those are the words. Those are the words I was looking for and failing to say.
That's what? You don't need to know its name to kill it.
Its name was Arthur.
Oh. Oh no, not Arthur. How could you?
Arthur's dead.
1 minute left.
Yeah, he's now Arthur Bile Titan. Yeah,
Can you do it? Can you do the thingy?
I capped him.
call him in.
So we've got 50 seconds, so we've got a little bit of time.
And we call down whatever shit, resupplies and everything.
Yep.
Yeah.
Extraction shuttle inbound.
Requesting advanced weaponry.
Sending down equipment package.
Cool it all down, baby. Where's the high ground? There it is.
Whoa, shit, wankers! Snuck in the back of the base like crafty little bastards that they are.
Yeah. That's where they're coming from.
See what I mean, Byron? Kill them, and then you don't have to worry about reloading.
30 seconds.
Perfect.
Hey, there's another one over there.
Nib, 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 nib. You got any bullets, Keith?
Yes.
Yep. I got one cart left. Thanks, man. Well, the gun's gonna shoot us. It's turned around.
EA, T-minus 1 minute.
That's alright, there's more coming.
I got a new backpack, by the way. In
Nice.
case anyone needs any bullets.
Right.
Sweet, man.
Something's moving over there. Oh, it's coming from exactly that direction and a bit from your left.
Fuck. Oh!
Oh, Christ alive!
Oh!
The
Did
fucking
you hit me with a
thing blew
rocket? No, it was a barrel, was it? I thought I can't possibly survive a rocket.
No, I've still got a rocket, man. I'm still
Nice.
still with a...
Fucking barrels.
T-minus 20 seconds.
Whoa, shit! They're behind us, Keith. They snuck in the base.
Fucking shitload.
ETA, T-minus 10 seconds. Clear landing zone.
Did we get the samples?
Yeah, I got them all,
So-
mate. Are on me.
Pelican 1 approaching pickup.
Bag's empty.
This is Pelican 1, preparing for touchdown.
All happening over there.
Pelican 1,
Fucking thing's gonna land on us.
shuttle launch in 20 seconds.
We're on, lads. We're on. Everybody in.
Yep.
Oh god! Who's that?
Killed!
Oh, fucking hell, who just killed me?
You ran in front of my gun. I was
It
shooting.
made no sense, but I'm dead.
Extraction complete.
I got it all on tape.
Fucking
hell.
in the back.
I was firing. Someone ran in front of my gun. I don't know who it was.
I must have been
Me.
me. I was trying to step in front of everyone to use my rocket
You
on the
managed,
fucking
you
big
managed to
thing.
kill 2 people in one shot.
It's explosive crossbow. It's a close range.
Colin, are you on my
Fucking
fucking
liability.
title? You're
Hell on earth did
most
we all
dangerous.
die on the last one? You and that fucking crossbow.
I only didn't die because I got the explosive proof armor, haven't I?
You nearly killed yourself.
Yeah, I nearly died as well. Oh man! Oh dear!
I just ran, I could see the back of the ship, I ran towards it. And clear fucking shots straight into the back of the shuttle, and I just blew up.
That was absolutely hilarious. I saw 3 of you all together, and then 2 of you just fell to the floor.
Oh my god, that's so
I was
funny.
covering us while we get away. They were still
Covering
coming.
us,
I should have just
covering
gone
them
straight
literally.
in. Like,
Oh god! Oh, that was great.
oh, did you get my samples? Because it was like everyone's samples.
I think so.
I
Hey,
picked
we
both
made it,
samples up,
Byron.
yeah.
Covered in Keith and Trev's blood.
I only made it because I was nowhere near you.
That's true. Well, I got 2 extra ones at the end there. Accidentals.
Oh, you got 2 extra accidentals, yeah. Oh, fuck.
How many accidentals this time, Carl? 5.
Five.
So at least we're going down, mate. I mean, I got 2.
Yeah, I mean,
I killed 2 of you.
That's a 50% less than last time.